The evolution of autonomous and electric vehicles is now approaching warp speed. Innovative manufacturers are putting next-generation vehicles into production and on the road. How can you win the race to real-world production? You need an automotive-grade software framework that can support a wide variety of use cases. You need a software framework that can meet all the safety and cybersecurity lifecycle and certification requirements set forth in ISO 26262 and 21434. You need RTI Connext Drive. Connext Drive is the first automotive-grade, safety-certified, data-centric communications framework for next-generation vehicles. What are the primary reasons for choosing Connext Drive? Connext Drive supports next-generation EE zonal architecture, from ECUs to central and zonal gateways. Connext Drive supports communication libraries certified for systems up to ISO 26262 ASIL-D. We can help you certify the vehicle and the production system to support zonal gateway architecture, ADAS, simulation and testing, telematics applications, off-vehicle communications, and over-the-air updates. And Connext Drive offers a standards-based safety certification path for electric and autonomous vehicle production. Ready to kick it into high gear? Let us take you through our test drive today. For more information on Connext Drive and a full list of new features, please visit rti.com/drive.